Hey guys, I took my mom to her doctor's appointment today and something amazing happened. This is the first time in my life I have seen or heard a doctor do these four things. Number one, she talked about de-accelerating drug usage. She talked about getting my mom off of drugs, which never happens for especially people who are 60 plus. They're always put on different medications. Medications are replaced, but nobody ever talks about getting them off of it by doing number two, making lifestyle changes. She talked about realistically making changes to her food choices. And she said, you know what, I know it's hard to give up bread and rice because that's a staple in our culture. But she was like, you can reduce the portion size. And she said, if you increase the vegetables, you will see effect on your blood pressure. And number three, my mom had severe pain in her knee because of her arthritis. So she went to see an orthopedic surgeon. They confirmed that, she has no cushioning and is bone to bone. So they gave her a steroid shot and gave her a medication that is only on as need basis. But he never told her to her. So she was taking this medication every day, not knowing that it induces sleep and it's pretty hard on the liver. Doctor said, please, you don't need it unless your pain is very severe. And then she referred her for physical therapy. What? I was like, who are you? Number four, I was so scared to bring that up, even though I talk about it all the time. And I was like, well, this is her history. She's this many year old, but we were thinking to get her on estradiol, low dose for vaginal use. And she was like, oh yeah, I'm totally on board for that, and I will prescribe that, and I will give some samples for her to take home and try for a week. And then she said, let's meet up in 2 weeks and see how things are going, and then I will like prescribe you a very low dose estrogen, and then we're gonna monitor you. At that point, I was so overwhelmed. I just got up and I said, I need to hug you. I walked out and I made an appointment for myself with this doctor, and her name is Dr. Sarwat Makani. She has Instagram, TikTok. I don't know if she's YouTube. I'll link all her social media below. So if you cannot see her, follow her content. She is amazing. We need more doctors like her.